What's poppin', Diva Gang? How are y'all doing today? So today we're going to be working on these Sailor Moon inspired press-on nails, and y'all, I have had this idea in my head for so long now, and I'm excited for you guys to just see how I brought everything together, and let me know what you think at the end of the video. So I'm starting off with some extra long coffin tips, and we're jumping right in with the airbrushing. I did not bother doing my normal prep routine of base coat and primer for these nails because these are strictly display nails. More than likely I won't wear these out anywhere, so that's why I just didn't even bother with the prep work. But y'all, I was having such a hard time with my airbrush today. Like, I couldn't get the mixture right for this yellow color that I'm using, so I combined 3 different colors to make this yellow. You can honestly just use any yellowish orangey kind of color, but I really was going for like a sunset kind of Sailor Moon vibe, if that makes sense. So that's why I decided to do yellow, then pink, then purple. But you know, since I mixed so many colors, I guess I just kind of threw off the acetone to color ratio, and the solution was just way too thick the first few times I tried to do it. I was getting so frustrated. I thought I was gonna have to replace my airbrush. Like, I just was not in the mood for that today. So I ended up getting it right though, as you can see, even though it did take like 7 tries, but it's whatever. And if you haven't seen it yet, make sure you check out my video on my top tips for the perfect airbrush nails. And yeah, that'll give you background as to how I go about doing my airbrush and just some tips that I have for any like airbrush beginners out there. So yeah, it's funny, as I was making these nails, I was thinking like, you know, I really love wearing nails like these, and like even when I had them on, I was like, I really don't think I could wear these on a day-to-day unless I had some type of special event where I just want it to be like super kawaii, because there's just so much going on. But yeah, can you guess what I'm about to do next, guys? If you're not new here, you can guess what I'm about to do next. I'll give you a second to guess what I'm about to do next. I'm going to be adding glitter on top of my airbrush because I love it, okay? And like I said, I was struggling with my airbrush today, and you know, there's a few like little patchy spots or whatever. So that's why I was like, let me just go over with a coat of this glitter. And you know, Sailor Moon, I wanted to have like the glittery golden kind of vibes, but also lots and lots of bling, lots of sparkle, lots of just extra-ness happening on these nails. So I went over my airbrush with a coat of peachy, and now this pointer finger on both hands is going to be a French nail. So I'm taking the color Pop Tart from the Macart Femi Beauty collab. That last color was also from the Femi Beauty and Macart collab. But this color here, that color was peachy, and this color is Pop Tart. I love it as a nail bed color. It's so pretty on like every skin tone. So I use it a lot for like French and things like that. But I know I probably wore y'all out with French last month, but it's so crazy saying last month because it's currently July when I'm filming this, but I know y'all are not gonna watch this until August. Oh my god, somebody is outside messing with the freaking garbage cans while I'm trying to film. That is so rude. It's super rude. Anywho, let's ignore it because I ain't got time today. But yeah, so like I was saying, there's just so much happening going on these nails. There's a lot that can get just caught on things, and I mean, you know, I could do length, but all that extra stuff I cannot do. So not on an everyday basis anyway. But this is the bling that I'm going to be applying to my airbrush nails, and it took me a while to come up with what sort of bling I want to do on these nails. I just knew that I wanted to have like red bling with like gold accents. If you missed it, a while back, way back, I posted a video doing some Sailor Moon red bling inspired press-on nails. So if you want to check that out, if you enjoy watching people do elaborate bling, you know, get your ASMR type vibes, then you can go ahead and check that out. I'll have it linked in the cards. But I'm just going in with this red bling. I got it in a little pack off of Amazon, and then I also have a bunch of different gold alloy pieces. I did use my nail art mold tool to bend that moon into shape to make sure that it fits. So if you haven't seen my video using that yet, make sure you check that out. But yeah, I'm just blinging out the nails. I tried something a little different. Long hair pretty nails, if y'all don't watch her, you sleep, sis. I highly recommend you check her out. She's an amazing artist. She's an amazing person. I just love her channel so much. She inspires me in so many ways. If you watch this, hey lady. Yeah, so basically she applies her bling gel in like kind of a thin layer over the nail, and then without curing it, she applies like a layer of top coat. And the first time I saw her do that, I was like, that's genius. That is genius, especially for like the bling glues like this, where it can be a little harder to do like smaller pieces, but this is like the best glue ever. It really holds on to everything. So yeah, I'm so sorry for the outside noise, guys. Literally, this street that I live on, you can literally hear everything in here, and my room is at the front of the house, so like y'all are gonna hear me complain about it so much. I can't wait until it's winter and I can shut my windows and just be in the silence to record these voiceovers. But anywho, I'm going over the top of the middle fingernails now with a cotton candy kind of color from the brand Fan Zest on Amazon. And then I'm using base coat to adhere this pink glitter that I got from Amazon. I think it's called Pink Party. I mean, not Amazon. I got it from Walmart. And it's a really pretty glitter. It looks really pretty over this cotton candy color too. And I thought so long and hard about what to do with this middle fingernail, y'all. I'm almost kind of feel like I should have went ahead and did an ombre on this nail, but oh well. Shoulda, woulda, coulda. It still came out super cute. So yeah, comment below what you think I should have done with this middle fingernail, because even looking at it, it still kind of doesn't look like it goes with the rest of the set, but at the same time, it still blends in like fine, you know? It's not like the ugly duckling of the set. It still goes really well just with the entire vibe that I have going on. So yeah, now I'm just applying a layer of top coat to the nails just to seal everything in kind of at this moment. This video is kind of all over the place because I had a lot of different directions that I could have went with these nails, and this video is basically me sorting through those ideas and those different directions to figure out what I wanted to do. And it's a little how do you say, all over the place. So yeah, sorry about it, but I definitely wanted to make sure I showed you guys kind of like my process and what I went through. And I was so happy when I got these stickers off of Amazon, these Sailor Moon stickers here. I love them so much, you guys. I really want to do like a plain French set using like just plain French, but then a bunch of stickers just on the the tip color. Like, I don't know why, that's been my vibe for months now, but I really have no reason to do any nails like that. That's just kind of my vibe right now. Like, I want like a cartoon character or something on my nails, like something cute, all right, something kawaii, something that'll make me happy to look at, and these just might be it. So it took me a long time to figure out what I wanted to do with that middle fingernail, and I did end up just kind of lightly filing over it, and also down the side walls, and also buffing the top, just because, you know, that glitter, it does sit up just a little bit, and it didn't bother me, but I did want the nail to be just a little bit smoother, so that's why I just did kind of like a light buff, and then, you know, it worked out fine. But now I'm applying these twinkle glitters, and I tried something different. I'm using my nail mold tool to flatten out these glitters and kind of get them in the shape of the nail. I don't know if it actually did that, if it did anything, but in my head it did. So yeah, what's done is done. But I just applied this one butterfly sticker in the middle. I applied a couple of the little stickers that came with the Sailor Moon pack as well. And I'm just making the nail look really cute and glittery and fairy-like, and just adding things that give me the Sailor Moon vibe, you guys. Have you guys seen they actually put the series up on Hulu? Or am I late to that? Like, I only noticed it about a week ago. It's July, mind you, when I'm filming this. So I've known for some time by the time this video goes up. But does anybody know when they actually put it up there? Because I've never actually watched full episodes and seasons of the show. So I'm kind of trying to get into it right now. And it's really cute, you guys. Some of the drawings kind of like scare me though. I'm kind of a baby when it comes to that kind of stuff. And some of the drawings of like the villains scare me a little bit, you guys. I don't know, I don't like it. But anyway, I'm using these random bow cabochons that I also got off of Amazon a while ago. And I just put that at the cuticle of my French, and it looks so cute. Isn't that like a thing with Sailor Moon, her little bow around her neck? I thought that was like a nice touch, especially with the French. But anywho, I'm adding some dangle charms. I got these dangle charms off of, you guessed it, Amazon, girlfriend. And these dangle charms honestly helped me put this whole look together, because there's a lot of things in this dangle charm set. It comes with 4 different little designs. It comes with some enamel butterflies, which I didn't use today, but they're super cute. It comes with some moons, which you just saw me do. It comes with hearts, and it comes with a star. So I end up doing more dangle charms a little bit later, but that's pretty much just what I have now. Now we're moving on to that pinky nail. I took the longest to figure out what to do with that pinky nail, so I'm doing 2 coats of this lavender purple color. And at first what I was gonna do, oh my god, again with the freaking burping, you guys, so unladylike. But anywho, I was gonna put like some old English letters and spell out prism power on both the nails, because you know that's what she says when she's going through her little transformation or whatever. But I didn't end up doing that. I painted it purple. I added 1 sticker to the middle of each nail, and then I added a big charm at the base of each of those nails, and I added a dangle charm to the tip of those nails as well. And be honest, you guys, if the stickers were not here, would you get Sailor Moon vibes? Would you get Sailor Moon vibes? I kind of wanted to, you know, bring that energy with the bling that I did, and I feel like I did a pretty good job. It took me a long time to do this set, you guys, a long freaking time, because like I said, I just didn't know what I wanted to do. There were so many things that I could have done that I didn't do just because I wasn't feeling it anymore. Like, I had to keep stopping and looking at inspo and pictures from the show and different kinds of clip art and just getting my mind right, you know what I'm saying? But in the end, I think that it came out really, really cute and kawaii looking. And yeah, basically, I'm just going ahead and adding a dangle charm to each of the pinkies. I only put in the footage of me doing 1 pinky because, you know, by this point, you've seen it twice. I didn't think you need to see it again. So that's all I did. Nothing crazy or special. And then on those 2 middle fingernails with the cotton candy polish and the butterfly sticker, I just added a heart at the cuticle and then 1 little charm in the middle, because it just looks so naked. Like, compared to all the other nails, it didn't have anything special on it. It didn't have any bling. So I was like, let me just add a little bling at the cuticle. Now, I think this is probably my favorite nail. It's such a shame when I do stuff like this, to be honest, because it's like I spend all this hard work and energy airbrushing the nails and making my blend perfect, and, you know, thinking about the whole look or whatever. I don't know what I'm trying to say, but I spent all this time perfecting my freaking airbrush 3-color ombre blend beautifulness, and then I just cover it up with a bunch of stuff. So basically, I decided to do some cluster bling on both of the thumbs, and it came out so cute, y'all. I never do cluster bling just because it's not really my thing, to be honest. But I think I might do it more often, you guys, after doing it for these nails. It's actually really, really cute, especially like over an ombre. Like, why is that so cute to me? Why is that so cute? It looks so just magical and ethereal and like dreamy looking to me. Yeah, so once I was done applying everything, making everything look all cute, I went in with a final coat of top coat very carefully, because as you can see, there's a lot of things on this nail that need to be top coated around. Filed the nails up a little bit, shaped them, dusted them off, cleaned them, and this is the final result. What do you guys think? Okay, when I tell you it took me a long time just to conceptualize like all of this stuff here on these nails, it took me a long ass time. And I really, really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you like these nails. I hope you like the way that they turned out. Are they giving you Sailor Moon vibes? Like, how did I do, guys? Let me know in the comments. How do you feel about that cluster bling? I love it so much. I honestly really love these nails, and I want to do some more Sailor Moon nails, but like different styles, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna tell y'all too much right now, but just stay tuned, okay? Make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you turn on those post notifications so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Make sure you like this video so that I can get recommended to more divas like you. And also just leave me a comment and, you know, say whatever you want to say, girl. You want to talk to me because I want to talk to you, okay? All right, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you're still here, thank you so much. I love you so much, and I will see you in the next one. Peace, diva gang. Mwah.